All right, I am giving the two camera thing angles a shot here. Hopefully it'll work out. Just trying to get a little more creative with my camera angles here. But a quick update, I got a new addition to the shop here. It is the Duo Forge by Patch Crafters. It's a dual automatic heat press for hats. I originally had the Vivor hat press, the cheap one from Amazon, and while it did work, it just kind of felt like it was a really old model. Nothing wrong with that, but I found it to be a little bit clumsy to work with, and it wasn't. I just wasn't in love with it. It did its job. I did a few hats with it, but I saw this one pop up online, and it was just such a good price. And I went ahead and returned the Vivor and ordered this one. And altogether, it was just such a good price. I want to say it was $3.99. Don't quote me on that. It might have been a little more. I think it was $3.99, give or take. But it ended up. I live in Hawaii, so everything that you ship here has some crazy shipping fees. But with the shipping, it ended up being $5.77 and change. So basically $5.78. And looking at all the other options out there, there's this other one by Stalls, and that one was like $14.99, $12.99, oh, well over $1,000. And I was like, you know what? This company, Patch Crafters, they have, from what I can tell, a great reputation. There was already a couple reviews out on it, and so I pulled the trigger, ordered it, and it's here. It's actually been here for about a week now. They'd sent me an email asking me how the order goes, and that's or how I was liking the hat press. And I just, between work and being a parent, this is my side hustle. I haven't had a ton of time to get to it, but got some free time today, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and kind of share with you guys what it looks like. And yeah, let's unbox this and check it out. Other thing too is now I have to figure out where to put my all my junk in my work area. My desk here, my desk work table is getting a little crowded, and I need to figure that out. But that's for another day. All right. Let's see here. All right, so first thing, instructions. Pretty standard. Looks like it's really well packed. Let me, all right. Comes well packed. Let's see what we got here. Let's see, does this come out? No. See, maybe I should have opened it from the bottom. Oh. I still can't decide if I like the movement of this Insta360 camera. It sounds great on the surface, but I feel like it's a little distracting sometimes. What do you guys think? Let me let me know. I do like that it follows me around. It just kind of doesn't do it very well sometimes. All right. A little side foam. A lot smaller than I thought it would be. That's good. It's not going to take up quite as much room on my desk. Let me get this out of the way. So I originally had thought. What's this? Power cord. All right. Yeah, there it is. See if I can get you a little bit of a close-up on there. It's really well built. It looks, it is smaller than it looked, but it's a pretty heavy, but it feels super solid. And it's got the you can see the Patch Crafters logo on there. Whoa, put that down. Give me a little workout. Here's the mechanism to hold the hats. But yeah, that's all that's in there. Not a whole lot. I mean, it's the heat press, but it's got the dual heat presses. It says it's precisely engineered for the Richardson 112, which is, like, from what I understand, the most common hat used for like a lot of heat pressing and embroidering and patches and stuff. But I've seen guys online use other hats as well, and it worked just as well. But I'll get some hats made with it. We'll have some fun with it. And once I have a couple of tests done, we'll go ahead and I'll share that with you. And down the line, we'll do a little review on it. But yeah, something to look out for. Stay tuned. Starting to bring hats into the fold with my side hustle, do-it-yourself creations here, or designs here. All right. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. We'll see you later.